Hey, welcome to our Dollar Tree fall haul. Today we will make a fall centerpiece and show some deals that we got at the Dollar Tree for everybody, including the dog. You can hang these little things anywhere throughout your house. I just hung mine there at the entry. Happy harvest, like if we're going out the door, maybe we're going to go get some pumpkins. Time to do a craft from the Dollar Tree haul, and it is September 2nd, which gives us 20 days until the first day of autumn. In the comments, what do you call fall? I call it fall. Do you call it autumn or do you call it fall? Or do you even care about the seasons changing? I am one who just totally gets into the whole thing. You know, my whole decorating scheme in my house, it is going to depend on what season we are in, and even holidays can be incorporated in. So right now we're on fall, but eventually that will transition into Thanksgiving. But I wanted to show you these things that I got from the Dollar Tree. If you see right here, I have this jute tablecloth because I have a square table, and because of the fact that I have a square table, I just was having the hardest time finding a fall tablecloth. And these are dahlias, and they actually have some colored jute on them. I thought it would really incorporate with this tablecloth that I have. So you can see this is jute and this is jute. So I thought that that went really well, and I love the bright orange. I also got some red ones, so you can put the orange. Dollar Tree, these are $1 a piece. I don't know if you've ever been to any of the like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, places like that, which I bought flowers on sale there with discounts, but I don't know if you've ever been there. You're not going to pay $1 for a floral pick. That's what these are floral picks. Now, as I was going through the Dollar Tree, I was getting things for a centerpiece. These really are good quality floral picks. So I got those, and then I got this. Now, this is made of some pretty thin material there, board. But I like what it says, farm fresh pumpkins, 25 cents a pound. One of my favorite things to do in fall is to go to a pumpkin patch. Autumn blessings. I always am going to have pumpkins, and the other thing that I love is the truck. So this was a truck full of the pumpkins, and then look at this. This says, hello fall. All for $1 a piece. Now, one says fall, one says autumn, and guess what? It's all the same to me. So some things say fall, some things say autumn. I will just and I'm not going to show what I'm doing with it. And I have teal in my decor in my house. So my fall decor is going to have little pops of teal in it as well. So I like to take the labels off. I have to take the stickers off of things. One of my pet peeves is when they put stickers on that won't peel off like that one did. And then when they leave that residual behind, pet peeve. This would be great for just some fall flowers or sunflowers or something like that. But this is very light. So I'm going to have to fill this. We're going to use the clear ones. Now the reason that I need the weight, and that weighted it down substantially, is because I am going to stick this in here, like so. And from there, I am going to add in the floral attributes. And I'll have to put some more picks in as well. But let me go ahead and, so I have one, let's see, I have 3 orange ones. And that's looking pretty good right there, because you don't want to take too much away from. Now, in order for that to stand, yes, I am going to have to put some more beads in. But basically, you want to fill it up with your beads. Oh, that was perfect. I honestly did not. Let's back that up. You can see it now. I'll show you this when I'm done, what I'm going to do with it. But first, I also bought at the Dollar Tree coordinating ribbons. Now, these would cost more than $1 at any fabric store, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, any place like that, Walmart. You're going to most likely pay more than $1 for a decorative type of ribbon. So I'm using this. I think I'm just going to put this here like this. Okay. And then I will cut it. And that just kind of adds some entrance. So I like what I get, but it's for $1. And then I want to make sure that the seam goes in the back. No big deal. I'm just going to cut that now that I've measured it. So there you have it. And I'm going to overlap it in the back like this. Okay, I'm bringing that seam over to the back. See, there's the back side of it. And yeah, it's not going to be the greatest thing from the back side, but we might be able to figure something out there too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue that. Okay. And I'm going to put one little dab right in here just to hold it down the rest of the way. I like it. So now you see we have the sign in the stand. I was going to make a great big bow, but I sort of just like it the way that it is. I got these. These are those microfiber washcloths, and they're real soft. And so what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to make them part of these from the dollar. 4 washcloths. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe, just to incorporate the theme, I think I'm just going to make my little square, a rectangle, and then I am going to hot glue that like that. So that'll be a place setting. Therefore, I will have 4 of my 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll have 4.
So those I didn't really use on my centerpiece or anywhere on the table, and I didn't end up using the teal and the red. I just went simple with that little designer.
Little bonus, you can see I ordered these on Amazon, so my tablescape does sort of tie in as you go into, it all ties together. These adorable pillow covers, they're kind of the burlap fill, but not really. I don't know what you would describe it, but they do have a texture. I love these buttons, so I ordered those on Amazon as well. Where is the actual kit, the watercolor kit? Where were you doing the watercolors, by the way?
On this notebook.
Oh,
on here.
In here, in this room?
Yes. I got bubbles.
Got 3 colors of bubbles. That's your first item, right?
Yes.
All right, let's see what the boys got. Ryan, what's one of your items that you got here today? You got a sword. It's probably going to break pretty soon, but you know. Logan, have you found anything?
I only found one thing, and it's a Warhead super sour spray candy.
Nice. All right, we'll talk to you all later. Bye.
It is kind of springy. I snuck it in there because I feel like the colors and love is good all the year round. And I still think it ties in pretty well with what we are doing here. My house is a little messy. See, I've got the teal. That's from the Smoky Mountain. We have a video on here. And back into dining room. There you go.